February 20th, card opening here. Got the highlights from my, well, some of the highlights from my jumbo box of 2023. We'll be opening more 2023, but we're going to take a break and go back in time. We'll start with a 2022 Allen and Ginter. We found all the hits out of this box already, so we're just going through the rest of the packs, seeing if there might be something good here. Nothing in that pack. Move on to the next one. Open up 2 new hobby boxes for this week. So we have Thomas, Beer, Story, Syndergaard, Zimmer, Brooks, Robin, and National Twins Day. Okay. Series 1, 2022. This is the retail box. I opened this up to contrast the 2023 coming on. It's a newer design is so much better. Devers, Bo Bichette in the red. They got a lot of mileage out of that uniform. They're thinking, let's put the Blue Jays in red. Okay. Well, I don't know. I'm not in charge. Tyler Stevenson silver. We'll put that up. First variable. Very variable first 2020 UK. These boxes you can still pick up for $60, and I have a hard time saying no to that type of thing. What is going on here? Oh boy. With AJ Puck, Big Ben, at a 99. We'll take that. Put you in front of the Hunter Brown here. All about variations. Okay, Ron Acuna. This is all over the place. Luis Robert will take that, and we have the London Eye. That's fun, I guess. Put the L Rob in front of Independence Day. And now we're going back to 2022 Japan. Remember, you turn it upside down, you pull out this way. I remembered correctly. Bouncing all around. Right, Mateo. Nothing there. One more. Be a short opening today. I spent about half an hour organizing after that jumbo opening. Got my area a little cleaner. Something special coming up in the back. MJ Melendez. Jose Altuve at a 99. There we go. There's our hits for the opening today. Made sure we didn't want to cover Bradley Rutschman gold because that card is tight. Anyway, you take care.